Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson we are going to be talking about comments. Okay. So as the name implies, comments are basically used to write comments about the code, lines of code, or you can use it to give information to other programmers who would be reading your code. You have noticed that I did use these two front slashes like this, and then I wrote my wrote stuff to explain things to you. So that's how you write your comments. Okay, these are single line comments. So two front slashes, and you can write whatever you want, and in brackets. Okay, not necessarily in other editors, but in brackets it would change to a grayish color. That particular line would change to a grayish color. So once you add the two front slashes to indicate that that particular line is a comment. Okay. So these comments are not read by the browser. Okay, they're not processed by the browser at all. They're not read by the browser. They won't be shown on the web page. Nothing. All right. So it's just for the reference of the programmer and for anyone else who would be reading that particular programmer's code. All right. So there are two ways of writing comments. If you give two front slashes, and then you can write single line comments like this, like how we've been doing so far. But you can also write multi-line comments. For that, you'll have to use a front slash and then a star like this, and then your multi-line comment. See, look at that. It goes through lines. Okay, can be written like this. Okay, so this is how you can write your two comments. But you can't nest comments. For example, if let's create a multi-line comment. If I create a single line comment like that, that's not gonna work. That's not how it works. Okay, so this won't be considered a separate comment. So nesting comments within comments doesn't work. Okay, so that's it for comments. You can use it for the reference of the programmer, for other programmers, and it won't be read by the browser at all. For example, let's go to our live preview right now, and if you look at the screen, you'll notice that there's nothing on the screen. So even though you have so many lines of code, it's not there on the screen. Now that's because all of these lines of code were actually written as comments. See, they become gray, right? So single line comments and multi-line comments, so they won't be seen on the screen. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.